this is actually welcome to everyone sa inyo dito. Kaya ang sabi ko kay Hermie, President Hermie, members of the PPCO, and guests kasi hindi naman lahat dito. Welcome to Niagara-on-the-Lake, the first capital of Upper Canada and also the prettiest town in Canada. We are proud to say that we are home to many noble historic sites and monuments. Some of them you've seen already. Port George, the Niagara Apothecary, yung butika, pinakamatanda nandito. The Queenston Heights, Mackenzie Heritage, which is actually the printery, the first printery nandito sa Canada. And the Niagara Historical Museum, one of the oldest and most complete museum of its kind in Ontario. Niagara-on-the-Lake is not only famed for its quaint historical charm and ambience. We proudly boast of other attractions such as the world-renowned Show Festival Theaters, performing in 3 locations in town. And then I said, tour our many award-winning wineries, which actually one of them you've seen this afternoon, and get ready to be tempted by the heavenly nectars of the grape which grows on splendidly and abundantly throughout the area. Visit our numerous farmer markets where you will still be able to purchase succulent fruits and vegetables which flourish on the surrounding farmland. A drive along the scenic Niagara Parkway, that's where doon kayo nagdaan, di ba nan? Nawala kayo. Will only emphasize the fact that Mother Nature smiles fondly on Niagara-on-the-Lake as she flaunts her favor of our community by the picturesque you will savor while you motor through the area. We hope your visit to Niagara-on-the-Lake is a pleasant and memorable one. Your enjoyment of our community is very important, and your return visits will ensure that all of our precious treasures have been experienced. Once again, I bid you the warmest of welcomes to Niagara-on-the-Lake, Canada's friendliest town. And then I said, mabuhay ang PPCO, mabuhay ang Pilipinas ng Canada, mabuhay tayong lahat.
Yung bang, di ba, vineyards lahat yan, no? Yung bang grape nun, pwede kainin? O pang specifically for wine lang yun?
No, there's also
table grapes din.
Table grapes din, meron doon. Yung table grapes nila yung madulas may seed, di ba? Pero that's okay.
Kasi marami nagtatanong, yung port na yun ay American side.
Yeah, American side. That's New York. That's New York state, and that's Youngstown. Yeah, Youngstown.
What if I bring my
But
motorboat
this
across
is-
there?
You can go
They're
there.
gonna gun me down.
No, meron-
You must have the passport.
Yeah. Ganito, yung Port Niagara. And then on the other side, sa Canadian side, yung Port George.
You must have your passport.
Kasi historically, yung port na yan, dun yung staging ng US para i-invade sa
That's right. Dito sila nagbobombahan eh. Yeah, it's sa Port George. Yeah, that's right.
Dito sila nag-iilagan. Ayun yung bala!
Malaki yun eh. Malaki. Hindi pumuputok, bubupulot.
US na pala to.
Iba na ngayon eh.
Oo nga.
Ngayon drones na.
Manda, no?
Puro pa na lang
Hindi ko
yung
sigurado.
mga laser na lang.
Isabihin pa ng mga TNT sa US, pwede mag-cross ng border kagad yan. Ang daming TNT doon. Wow,
May guardia, may
mga
guardia.
Pilipino TNT.
Doon sa Kwan,
maglangoy na lang.
pero
Yung nasa Canada na sila.
we will take you to the
Dapat
farm.
yung dala ko dyan, physical personality ha.
Pero may mga pandon fruit
Makarating
you
din sa
can buy.
Canada.
And the area nila, you just follow.